You appeared for an interview and the interviewer said, your English is very poor. You need to upgrade your English. And before you leave that place, he would highlight in the areas where you need to improve your English. So he would tell you that your sentence articulation is not good, English grammar, fluency, pronunciation, accent, and fear of public speaking. And these are the areas where you need to improve your English. And then you can try attending the interviews. By hearing this from your interviewer, you will feel more nervous while sitting in front of him or her. Then he goes on saying, who? Your interviewer. You have acquired 100% subject knowledge. You are very good in technology. But when you have to convey that technology through communication, when you have to convey that 100% subject knowledge through communication, you do not know how to speak in English. You don't have communication skills. Therefore, you can't speak English like native English speakers. And by hearing this from your interviewer, you will feel disappointed. Do not worry, my friend. If you are that person, I would like you to watch this video till the end, because I am going to give you one technique which would help you to start speaking in English. Now listen to me carefully. You need to focus on your thought process. In what language are you getting your thoughts? If you are getting your thoughts in your mother tongue, whenever you speak in your mother tongue, you will be very fluent. But if you are getting thoughts in English, very rarely, that means 10 words English and 20 words your mother tongue. That's how you will speak. You will speak very slowly. That is called think and speak. Not spontaneously like your mother tongue. So now what is the problem? Thinking is the problem. You are not able to think in English. That's why you are not able to speak in English. Simple aspect you need to understand. So what you need to do now? You need to start thinking in English. Remember, our thoughts are converted into words. Words are converted into actions. Actions are converted into habits. Habits are converted into character. Character is converted into destiny. That will become your destiny. And remember another thing. If you want to build or break any habit, you need 21 days. You should be doing that to build that habit. I want to give you a challenge. The challenge is, from today, from this moment onwards, you start thinking in English. If you start thinking in English, automatically words will start coming in English. The flow will be in English. No problem in the beginning. 10 words English, as I said, 20 words in your mother tongue, no problem. But at least you will get started. At least you will, begin to speak. So this is what you need to do. You need to think in English. Stop thinking in your mother tongue. Start thinking in English. And when you start thinking in English, what will happen? The magic. The words will flow out of your mouth. Now you may ask me, how can I think in English when I don't know English? That I will tell you in my next video. Thank you so much for watching.